Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I will tell you the two methods how to download and install Kdenlive video editor software in Mint operating system. Second method is very easiest method for all of you. Now begin with first method. There are some commands to install it. First of all, we open the terminal. After open the terminal, we run as a root user. After that, there are only 4 commands to install Kdenlive. First command is you can write same as I am writing. Now press enter to continue, and now we use our second step, apt update. Now here is our last second step, we install our Kdenlive. We write here apt install Kdenlive. Now we continue and press Y and enter. It takes some time to install it. Last command is snap install Kdenlive. Now our Kdenlive is installed. Now we check here. Our second method is, first of all, we go to our software manager. And search here Kdenlive. Here is the software, click on it and install. Now we continue this and we enter the password to install it. Installation begun. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates.